Here's a couple of quick usability items that you have for SolidWorks. If I hit the space bar, I can pull up the orientation window, and it actually allows me to move from one location, one orientation to another very quickly if I want to work with different scenes. So let's say I want to put these same three holes on this tube along on this side as well. So we'll start off by simply switching over to this particular view. Now what I'm going to do is hit the S key, and the S key is something that will give us a lot of the commands that are up, the common commands that are up on the command manager, but they'll be right where the mouse is. So again, if I hit the S key, it pops up and you'll see that the whole wizard feature is available to us. Now I can go ahead and add in some items. I'll just go ahead and choose from my holes, the fractional drill sizes, the fact that it's going to be just a simple hole through all. So switching over to the positions, SolidWorks is asking me to add a location where we're going to select these things. So now that I've selected the face, you can see that now I can start to create sketch points which will decide where the holes will be. So getting out of that command, we're in a sketch at this point, and I can start to sketch items as I like. So now that I have these, I'm going to once again hit the S key. That gives me different kinds of commands in this form. It's because I'm in a sketch, it's going to give me sketch related commands. So the nice thing here is I'll go ahead and draw a center line. We'll go ahead and go from the midpoint of the bottom edge up to the midpoint of the top edge, so that I have a place to where those holes will be. This middle one, we're going to control select both items, and again you get these nice little pop-ups. Take advantage of those wherever you can, because SolidWorks is giving us cues as to what we can use. So I'll make that a midpoint. We'll go ahead and make that coincident. Again, in order to quickly pan, I'm holding down the control key, and the middle mouse button allows me to pan. If I don't have the control key down, I rotate with the middle mouse button. If I hold the shift key in, the middle mouse button allows us to zoom in and out. If I hold the alt key, it rotates when I move the mouse around. So these are some nice little cues that we've got. I'm going to finish this up by hitting the S key to add some dimensions. 0.5 here. I didn't put that on the line, so we'll go ahead and do that. Make it coincident. Again, we'll zoom out, pan down, again shift and control, zoom in, and we'll go ahead and set up the quick dimension for where our hole will be. And once again, go back out to this, finish our command, and we've got a bunch of holes on both sides of this tube.